What is going on, beautiful people? Hopefully, we're doing well. So, I want to talk to you guys about construction jobs. You always hear like the well seasoned construction workers that put the shovel and the wheelbarrow down a long time ago. They're always like, it's hard to find new apprentices and new people that want to pick up a trade, and no one wants to work, and no one wants to work overtime or work on the weekends. I got people going on lunch break and not coming back and quitting. It's because y'all ain't paying enough. Y'all ain't paying enough. Y'all paying $13 an hour sometimes, for these jobs that are very physically demanding, very long hours, starting real early, stopping real late. And then you got the nerve to ask, for me to be on call to roll out of my bed in the middle of the night to go handle somebody's water heater or someone's power that went out. And I think, there's a disconnect. It's kind of tone deaf because in order for you to have good applicants, you have to have good pay. And these jobs are tough, man. I was a plumber at one point for a couple years. I'm thinking about coming back. I just haven't found a good opening good enough where I can pay my bills. I have a son, I have an apartment, I got a car note. I got a lot of stuff going on, and I just can't survive off of $13 to $18 an hour. From what I'm seeing, $18 an hour is really good pay, and that's the highest you could probably get. That's probably with experience. People will offer you $18 to $20 an hour with 1 to 2 years of experience, and the job will be super physically demanding. They'll want you to be traveling all over the place. There are some construction jobs where you have to just pull up on job sites and use your own gas in your own vehicle. Me personally, I've went on job interviews where they wanted me to go to job site to job site using my own gas in my own vehicle. I am like, are y'all smoking crack? Talking about some 50 cents per mile. That ain't nothing. Gas is way too high for y'all to be doing that. My car's newer, so what? I'm not trying to use my whip. That's my car. The wear and tear needs to be from me, and from my enjoyment and from my endeavors, not for your company's endeavors that I have nothing to do with. And on top of that, y'all aren't letting me use it as a tax write-off, But yeah, it's just kind of wild. What do you guys think? And I've been a plumber, right? Plumbing pays pretty good. It's one of the higher paying trades. That and to become an electrician, they start out around $15 an hour, which isn't much, guys. 15 is not a lot. And I'm not balling by any means. I only make 21 and some change, which, is really still isn't that much, but it's a lot better than $15 an hour. I love construction, specifically plumbing. Plumbing has a special love in my heart because you going into somebody's house who's, their sewage is backed up. Their water's not running, and when you leave, they can flush and poop leaves the house, and it doesn't come back up through the pipe, and they're running water. You feel like Moses almost, because you got their water system working correctly, and they can shower and do all the basic, things, for human life. Because when your plumbing's messed up, it's the end of the world, and it's expensive. That's why I love plumbing, but. People are always like, it's hard to find guys. No one wants to work. How about some better pay? How about some higher quality apprenticeship programs? Let's stop treating our apprentices like crap. I know when I was an apprentice, when I was 21, I was really eager about plumbing, and they just had me just digging and carrying buckets all day. And then the notion was, you have to dig for a year to 2 years to earn your keep. That's absolutely ridiculous. I don't think I should have to dig. At least me be the only person digging. My journeyman should be in the hole with me, right next to me, digging the hole, carrying the buckets. I don't mind carrying the concrete, but digging in the buckets were the most taxing on the body and the most draining. And I understand it's a part of the learning process, but there has to be some balance. There also has to be balance and pay. But let me know what you guys think. Being a construction worker is looked down upon because, you're dirty. And it's hard physical manual labor. I love it. I literally did it until my back gave out, which I'm thinking about doing it again. The brotherhood that comes along with being in a trade is awesome. I've learned so many good things, especially because when I first went into plumbing, I didn't have good mechanical skills. I was not mechanically inclined whatsoever, and I changed that. I mean, my mechanical skills are still piss poor, but they are far better than when I first started. So I really gained a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge from that, and a lot of self-worth from getting that job as well, because I felt like I could do something with my hands. As a man, that means a lot to me having that ability. So, but yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Please like the video if you like content like this. This is just my 2 cents on trades, especially at the entry level, man, because when you first start, they try to dog you out, because I get it. You have the college students, the high school students over the summer that are trying to find work. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe these positions in construction, the entry-level construction jobs, are for the younger guys that don't have bills to pay. But I feel like there needs to be some type of accelerated program available for people that are adults, you know, that are 25, 27, that are trying to learn trades. Because I want to go back into construction, to be honest with you. Like, being in an office chair sucks. I'm in the mortgage industry. I don't feel satisfaction from the work that I do. But, you know, when you build something or you do a repair on someone's home, you get a certain satisfaction that never goes away. You know, that's why construction workers, they're always showing you what they're working on, you know, on their phone, or what they did today. Same thing with mechanics. Mechanics have pictures of their phones, whole albums and galleries filled with things they fixed, they repaired, crazy stuff they've seen. It's a brotherhood like no other, and I really love the mentality behind it. Let me know what you guys think about this topic. Please like and sub to the video. Have a wonderful day. I'm out.